Number system and indices. Natural number. The counting numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinity are called natural numbers. They are also called positive integer. It is noted by capital N. Whole numbers. All the natural numbers together with 0 are called whole numbers. It is denoted by capital letter W. Integers. The set of all positive numbers, negative numbers together with 0 is called the set of integers. It is denoted by capital letter Z. So, integers. The set of all positive numbers, negative numbers together with 0 is called the set of integers. It is denoted by capital letter Z. Positive numbers are 1, 2, 3, and then negative numbers minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Then with the 0 also included in it. So next concept is even numbers. Numbers which are indivisible by 2. These are the even numbers are the numbers which are divisible by 2. Thus numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 up unlimited are called positive even numbers. And the numbers minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8 are called negative even numbers. To find the nth even number, the formula is 2n. To find the nth even numbers, the formula is 2n. Let us solve some problems. Calculate the third even number. Okay, 2n. So I have to place 3 because they have asked the third even number. So in the place of n you have to place 3. So 2 into 3, that is 6. So third even number is 6. If we will do like this also, if we will write from the 2 to number, we will start writing numbers from 2. Then 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So here we can easily find out which is the third number. 1, 2, 3. This is the third even number. This is the formula to find third means to find the nth even numbers. Second question, calculate the 10th even number. So 2 into 10, 20. 20 is the 10th even number. Then calculate the 33rd even number. In the place of n we have to place 33. So 33rd even number is 66. If we have to multiply 2 into 33. Calculate 78th even number. Then 2n is equal to 2 into 78 equal to 156. Then it comes to odd numbers. So numbers which are not divisible by 2. Here, which is odd number? Number which are not divisible by 2 are the odd numbers. Thus, numbers 1, 3, 5, 6 are called positive odd numbers, and the numbers minus 1, minus 3, minus 5 to infinity are called negative odd numbers. Note, here's one note. So 0 is neither positive nor negative. We can't tell 0 is positive or 0 is negative. So it can't be defined like positive or negative. 0 is something else itself. So to find out nth odd number, the formula is 2n minus 1. To find out the nth odd number, the formula is 2n minus 1. To find out nth even number, the formula is 2n. Let us solve some problems on this basis. So calculate 10th odd number. So formula to find out nth odd number is 2n minus 1. If we place 10th in this place, in n's place, if we place 10, if we substitute the 10 in n place, so 2 into 10 minus 1, then 20 minus 1, that is 19 is the 10th odd number. Next problem, 66 the odd number. 2n minus 1 equal to, we have to substitute the number in this, in the formula. 2 into 66 minus 1, that is 132 minus 1. is equal to 131. 129th odd number. 2 into 129 minus 1, that is 258, minus 1, that is answer is 257. Then 995 is in which place of odd number? 2n minus 1 equal to 995. Here the problem is little different. We know the number, but we have to find it's in which place. In other problem which we had solved, it's mentioned we have to find out the number. They had given the place of it. So here we have to find the place of it. The number is already given. So if we substitute 2n minus 1 equal to 995, 1 goes this side, it will become plus 1. So 995 plus 1 is 996. So 2n equal to 996. Then here n is with the multiplication sign. When it goes to the opposite side, it will be like divided by 2. So n equal to 996 divided by 2. So n is 498. Next concept is prime numbers. A number p is greater than 1 is said to be a prime number if it has no other divisors except 1 and itself. Prime numbers are the numbers which doesn't have other divisor than 1 and itself. So for example, 2 has divisor of 2 is 1 and 2 itself. So 3 also same case, 1 and 3 only. 5 divisor is 1 and 5. So these numbers doesn't have other divisor than 1 and itself. So we have some note. The only even prime number is 2. So if we should see properly. So these 2 is the only even prime number. There are so many prime numbers, but 2 is the only even prime number. All other prime numbers are odd numbers. So if we see other than 2 are odd numbers, only 2 is the even prime number. The set of prime numbers is denoted by capital letter P. Next concept, composite number. A number which is not a prime number is called a composite number. This is easy. The number which is not a prime number is called as composite number. For example, 4 has so many divisors like 1, 2, then 4 itself. So it has basically it has more than 2 divisors. In prime number, what happens is only 2 divisors. Divisors are 1 and itself. So here we can see 1 and itself with including other divisor. So 6 also has so many divisors. 6 like 1, 2, 3, 4. It has not 4, sorry, 6. So it has totally 4. It has 4 divisors. Similarly, other examples also. Note, we have some note. 0 and 1 are neither prime nor composite. 0 and 1 are neither prime nor composite number. So we haven't mentioned in anywhere while giving the example. A composite number and has a divisor other than plus or minus 1 and plus or minus n. A composite number n has a divisor other than plus or minus 1 and plus or minus 1. If in case it is a number 4, 4 has a plus or minus 1 divisor and plus or minus 4 divisor. What is given is a composite number 4 has a divisor other than 1 and 4. That is, here I had already mentioned it has divisor 2 also. So it should be like it should not not like prime number, because prime number has only two divisors, that is 1 and itself. So here in composite number there are there may be more than two divisors. Not maybe, there are more than two divisors of a composite number. Next concept is rational number. A number which is in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0, is called rational numbers. What is given? A number which is in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers. Rational numbers are the numbers which is in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0, is called rational numbers. For example, 2 by 5, 3 by 6. So we can't reduce it like 1 by, we can reduce this like 1, 2, only this much. If we reduce it by using the calculator, it will be turned to decimals. So note, every integer is a rational number, because see, this is the integer, 5 is an integer, it is also rational number because 5 is always divisible by 1, it will be equal to 5 itself. So 0 is also a rational number. So here 0 is also a rational number. 0 can be written as a0 by 1, which is in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0. So here we have to note down that q is not equal to 0. Every natural number can be expressed in any one of the following two types of decimals: terminating decimals, non-terminating decimals.